The Buddhist teachings offer timeless methods to cultivate inner peace, clarity, and compassion. Modern science has validated many of these practices, demonstrating their profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. Below are 7 techniques, combining step-by-step instructions with their psychological and neurological benefits. 1. Mindful breathing, anapanasati. Purpose: cultivates awareness and calmness while reducing stress and improving focus. How to practice: sit comfortably, with a straight back and relaxed body. Close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Focus on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your abdomen. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the breath. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes daily, increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. Use this during stressful moments to regain composure and clarity. Impact on the mind: activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation. Strengthens neural pathways in the prefrontal cortex, enhancing attention and emotional regulation. Anchors the mind to the present, reducing overthinking and mental chatter. Scientific insight: mindful breathing enhances interoception, awareness of internal bodily states, helping the brain better interpret physical and emotional signals, which foster self-regulation and resilience. 2. Loving-kindness meditation, metabhavana. Purpose: develops compassion and reduces negative emotions like anger and resentment. How to practice: sit in a quiet place and relax your body. Begin with yourself, silently repeating phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." Gradually extend these wishes to others, a loved one, a neutral person, someone you struggle with, and all beings. Feel the warmth and goodwill spreading from your heart outward. Impact on the mind: lowers activity in the amygdala, reducing fear and anger. Increases feelings of empathy and social connection. Builds emotional resilience and a sense of universal goodwill. Scientific insight: this practice releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and increases serotonin levels, promoting happiness and reducing stress. 3. Walking meditation, kankama bhavana. Purpose: integrates mindfulness into movement, grounding you in the present moment. How to practice: find a quiet path or space, 10 to 20 feet long, where you can walk undisturbed. Walk slowly, focusing on each step, lifting, moving, and placing your feet. Synchronize your steps with your breath, inhaling and exhaling with each step or 2. Pause and turn around mindfully when you reach the end of your path. Practice for 10 to 15 minutes, observing sensations in your body and the environment. Impact on the mind: reduces anxiety by harmonizing breath and movement. Enhances creativity and problem-solving by shifting focus to the present. Grounds the mind and body, fostering a sense of stability and balance. Scientific insight: walking meditation activates the motor and sensory cortices, integrating physical movement with mindful awareness, reducing rumination and promoting emotional clarity. 4. Body scan meditation, kayanupasana. Purpose: promotes body awareness, reduces tension, and uncovers emotional patterns. How to practice: lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on each part of your body, starting at your toes and moving upward. Observe any sensations: tension, warmth, tingling, without judgment. Breathe into areas of discomfort, allowing tension to soften. End by feeling gratitude for your body's strength and interconnectedness. Impact on the mind: build somatic awareness, helping to identify and release stored tension. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation by activating the body's natural calming mechanisms. Fosters emotional insight by connecting physical sensations with underlying emotions. Scientific insight: body scans enhance interoceptive awareness and reduce activity in the brain's default mode network, DMN, which is associated with overthinking and mental wandering. 5. Reflection on impermanence, anicca bhavana. Purpose: cultivates acceptance of change, reduces attachment, and deepens gratitude. How to practice: choose an object of reflection, for example, a flower, your breath. Observe how it changes moment by moment. Contemplate the impermanence of all things, including your thoughts and emotions. Reflect on how impermanence allows for growth and renewal. Conclude with a sense of gratitude for the present moment. Impact on the mind: reduces fear of loss by fostering acceptance of life's natural cycles. Encourages adaptability and mental flexibility in the face of challenges. Enhances gratitude for fleeting, precious moments. Scientific insight: contemplating impermanence engages cognitive reappraisal processes in the brain, fostering emotional resilience and reducing the intensity of negative experiences. 6. Noble silence practice, Ariyatunhi bhavana. Purpose: quiets mental chatter, deepens self-awareness, and fosters clarity. How to practice: dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily to silence. Avoid speaking, writing, or using technology. Focus inward, observing your thoughts and emotions as they arise and pass. Pair this silence with mindful breathing or walking. Reflect afterward, journaling insights or patterns you noticed. Impact on the mind: reduces cognitive overload, allowing the brain to process information more effectively. Deepens self-awareness and fosters a sense of inner peace. Sharpens focus and decision-making by silencing external distractions. Scientific insight: silence reduces activity in the DMN and promotes neurogenesis, particularly in areas linked to memory and emotional regulation. 7. Gratitude meditation, Patana bhavana. Purpose: shifts focus from scarcity to abundance, enhancing happiness and well-being. How to practice: sit quietly and take a few deep breaths. Reflect on 3 things you're grateful for today, focusing on specific people, experiences, or opportunities. Feel the gratitude deeply, visualizing it spreading throughout your body. Conclude by writing your reflections or sharing them with others. Impact on the mind: promotes positivity and reduces stress by shifting focus to life's blessings. Enhances life satisfaction and fosters a sense of abundance. Counteracts the brain's natural negativity bias. Scientific insight: gratitude meditation boosts dopamine and serotonin, rewiring the brain for greater emotional balance and happiness. These techniques offer a powerful toolkit for transforming daily life, fostering peace, resilience, and joy. By integrating mindfulness, compassion, and gratitude into your routine, you can profoundly rewire your mind and enhance your well-being. Start with 1 or 2 practices, gradually building a consistent habit, and witness the lasting impact on your mental and emotional health.